When was the last time you did something just for yourself? Not for your family, not for your work, not for anyone else. Just for you. We as women put ourselves last. We are always needed somewhere else. And slowly, without even realizing it, we stop listening to our bodies. But here's the truth. If we don't take care of ourselves, who will? It's even more important in your 50s and 60s to focus on health and well-being. After the age of 30, women lose about 3 to 8% muscle mass per decade, and this accelerates as we age. With time, our bodies go through so many changes. We lose muscle, bone density, balance, mobility, strength. Our metabolism and endurance goes down. Therefore, it becomes even more important to look after ourselves, especially after 60. Leg days are my favorite. I have strong legs of a dancer. I have been practicing Bharatanatyam since I was 6 years old. But I like to mix it up. Legs, upper body, back. Each day focuses on a different part. I work out 5 to 6 days a week. Mobility, flexibility, yoga, and core strength are a part of my daily routine. On some days, I add swimming and aqua exercises. And then there are days when I enjoy myself and add an hour of dance. When I'm traveling or if nothing else is available, then I just like to walk. I do 5,000 to 7,000 steps. My diet is balanced. I'm a vegetarian. My food is more organic and nature-based. It's very important to take protein. And I absolutely avoid sugar or sugar substitutes. When I exercise, I find peace. Exercise keeps me in a positive frame of mind the entire day. It releases endorphins, the happy hormones that reduce stress. It's not just about lifting weights. It's about having the energy and stamina to cope with our daily life. For me, it's about lifting my grandchildren and keeping pace with them. It's not about fighting age. It's about owning it. If I can do this at 61, so can you. Take time out. Prioritize you. Show up for yourself. Just 30 minutes a day, 4 times a week. When you're strong, you're unstoppable. So, take that first step. Choose to be unstoppable. Join the Strong Her movement. Start today.